Hi, well, I thought I'd just make a quick video just to assist you with setting up charts if you're interested in using TradingView.com. For the best part of a couple of months, I've been using these charts on the free trial type setup, but I've now finally purchased a subscription to TradingView.com, and because I'm very happy with it. Now I can get rid of all the adverts, and I can have various facilities which are pretty useful. So I just wanted to show you this as a quick demo. Now the most important part of this is that you can have, with the cheapest version of the paid charts, I can't remember what it's called now, but it's something like $9 a month, which is very reasonable. And what's cool about it is you can actually have more than one chart on the same screen. Now, with this cheapest version of the paid version of the charts, you can only have two on one screen, but that's good enough. Excuse me, because I only trade generally two currencies at a time in any case, and I think that's a very good strategy. So there's a little box at the top of the screen over here, this one, where my cursor is. The markets aren't moving at the moment. It's the weekend, so you can see there's no action, so it's an opportune time to record this. So if I just click on that box, and I go to this second one here, this indicates it's going to show me two charts side by side on the chart, and I've already set it up. You can choose whatever you want. And there we've got the euro against the US dollar on the left, and we've got the British pound against the US dollar on the right. Now these are the two that I normally trade most of the time. Sometimes I trade the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and sometimes the Canadian dollar, and sometimes the Swiss franc, but very rarely. So if I want to change this one here, this is the pound versus the dollar, I just click on this chart, and so it's highlighted with this border around it, and I can go over here and I can just simply change this to Australian dollar, US dollar, and it'll just change that one chart. There it is there. And you can see it's a 1 hour chart, same as this one, it's a 1 hour chart. The one that's highlighted, so I can switch between the charts, is the one that will react to your instructions. So if I wanted to change this to a day chart, the Australian dollar chart, I just go across to day, and there we've got the day chart of the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. So it's pretty simple as that. The other good thing is you can add more than 3 indicators on the chart. You can have, I think, 5. So you can go across to indicators. One of the indicators that I was quite interested in the other day is the average true range. That's down here. I'm not going to describe what it means right now, but you can see there, that's that squiggly line at the bottom. That really indicates the volatility of the market, how much it moves in one day. This is an average of 14 days, the average range of market price movement over 14 days, basically what it is. And you can see we're at a very high state of volatility right now compared to going back. I don't know, we can go back quite a long way. Probably all the way back to this time about a year ago. We had some volatility there, you can see, very volatile markets. But at the moment, we're in a very volatile phase, and you'll see the same on the euro and the pound. And I've alluded to this earlier. This is due to current geopolitical events and things like COVID and all sorts of problems all over the show, including oil prices and other commodities and whatever. So that's the big benefit. That's the first benefit, is you can have two charts. Second benefit is that you can have them side by side, which is very nice. Third benefit is that you can put up to 5 indicators per chart. I'm just going to remove this because I just look at it for interest's sake. These are the normal indicators that I usually have. And then the other interesting thing is you can trade directly off these TradingView charts. At the bottom of the screen here, over here, you can see I've opened an FXCM demo account just to illustrate, but you could have a live account, and you can trade this account all on the same screen as your charts. So you've got your 2 currencies or 3 currencies. Normally I always keep the euro in, and I switch between the pound and the Aussie dollar on the right hand side, so you can trade your three currencies. And on the same screen you can have your trade station. And even better than that, if I right click on the price, you'll see a button here that says trade. It's not going to work right now because it's the weekend, but I've clicked on the Australian dollar price somewhere, it doesn't matter where on the price, and you can let me just show you that again. So hover over it, right click on it, shows me the trade option, and I can create a new order, and I can take the trade right there and then, and it'll pop up in my trade positions box below. So right now I'm not using FXCM, not even a demo. I'm using Forex.com, as you know, but I highly recommend FXCM if you want to use them for at least a demo account to start with, and even for a live account. You can set it up very easily, and you can have everything you want on one screen, which makes life very simple, very easy to operate everything together. You don't have to switch between tabs like we often do. So there's my Forex.com account. I have to switch tabs to get to there. Here, it's all on the same page, and I can go to account summary. I can go to any orders. So that's a demo account. I've got $50,000 in, or pounds, whatever currency it happens to be in. I think this is in pounds actually. Yeah, there we go, pounds. So this is 50,000 pounds in the demo account. I haven't used it yet. Any orders that I might have in place, all the details along the bottom there, and any open positions. And you can also get hold of your a variety of other options here. You can see it's connected, so you can see if it's connected or not. This one is connected. It's very simple to set up and very easy to get it all onto the same screen, but only if you use the paid version of TradingView.com. Of course, I don't get paid to recommend them at all because I'm not giving any affiliate link or anything like that. But I've tested these charts for the best part of two, maybe even 3 months now, and I'm very happy with them. They're simple, they're easy to use, and as it turns out, they're pretty cheap to subscribe to. And the fact that you can have more than one chart on the same screen and integrate with your trade station is fantastic. If you need more space and you're not doing anything, you can just press this little shrinkage button, hide panel, and it all goes down. The FXCM stuff goes down to the bottom, and you've got more space to have a look at your charts and analyze your charts. Well, that's it. I hope you found it useful. So that's TradingView.com for the charts. You can link with a variety of brokers, by the way, not just FXCM. Before you link up to your FXCM, I'm just having a look. Yeah, see the brokers list. Okay, there we go. These are the brokers you can link with. Maybe you've already got an account with one of these. There's currency.com, I know, paper trading, I don't know, Pepperstone, Oranda. You can even link with an Oranda account. You just press connect. If you've got an Oranda live or demo account, you just press connect, and it will automatically, I think you're going to have to be, you will be asked to log in to your Oranda account when it starts a connection process. Put in your username and your password, and you'll have your Oranda live or demo account along the bottom here. So that's it really. Just thought that might be useful for you. Don't know how to get back from here to where we were. Let's just have a quick look. We don't want to choose a new broker, so anyway, I'll figure that out shortly. I want to go back to FXCM and do some real-time trades on the FXCM demo account that I've got. I should be able to connect somewhere here actually. No broker. Anyway, I'm not going to waste your time. Oh, there's a whole bunch. Look at them all. Okay, so the ones that I know quickly whilst we're here. Saxo Bank, very good. I think you need a reasonable amount of money, real money. I'm not sure if they have a demo account. They probably do. Forex.com. Well, that's the one I'm using. I should actually connect it right here and now. I'm going to give that a go. Instead of FXCM probably, and then I can operate that straight from here. So there you go, just a little tutorial on how to set up TradingView.com charts. The paid version, I think it's $9 a month, and you can do all sorts of fancy and interesting and incredibly useful things on the charts. So enjoy it, and I'll speak to you soon.